pigeon raising is key to your success. If you want to have great success, you need healthy birds that is in top condition. Maintaining health and condition in your own loft is not that difficult because you can control it all the time. But when pigeons start mixing in the racing baskets, then you can get some problems you need to address. So today I want to give you a practical tip on the prevention and also the treatment of pigeon or avian malaria. Now, pigeon malaria is caused by either pigeon flies or mosquitoes or pigeon lice. So you need to control that the whole year in order not to get pigeon malaria. But for many years now, I've used the recipe of MedPet and specifically two products that I do combine in the prevention and also treatment of pigeon malaria. Now, pigeon malaria, it's difficult to identify it because there's no obvious symptoms apart from the fact that the pigeons do not perform. So what I do is I use Primaquin from MedPet. It's a pigeon malaria suspension. And you give it 1 milliliter to 1 liter of drinking water for 10 consecutive days. But very important is to add, also from MedPet, is the liver or liver stem. Now, this product in combination with the Primaquin is a great treatment against malaria, but you have to do it for 10 consecutive days pre-season, and to maintain it every Sunday once a week thereafter. Then you shouldn't have any malaria problems. And you'll see the moment you start administering these two in combination, it has a great effect on your pigeons. The droppings is small and beautiful, and you can just see it's great for the pigeons. So the recipe once again is Primaquin from MedPet. It's a suspension. You give it 1 milliliter to 1 liter of water, and in addition you give the liver stem or liver stem, and then you won't have any problems with pigeon malaria. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a good day.